Agrico enables people to make returns safely. Together with the value of this Agrico token relies on the continuous income of this Agrico farming and platform. The investors that buy Agrico tokens will be shielded using a more stable cost. That is basically the main theme of Agrico platform. Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to discuss each and everything regarding the Agrigo platform, and we are going to share the bounty of Agrigo platform, so that will be entirely beneficiary for all of you. Before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. First of all, here you can see each and everything, the main work. Agrico will be recorded on the top cryptocurrency exchanges, providing Agrico tokens high liquidity and therefore profiting nominal holders with a large selection of uses. Agrico token holders may also put money into the farms. That is the main utility of Agrico token. Here you can see the something more secure and cloud-based Agrico chain, decentralized token market facilities, exchange and trading of their fiscal instruments and monies. Anything you can say monies on the around the blockchain. The Ethereum platform will facilitate the launching of our money to be used as a frequent standard. The ERC20 standard lets Agrico to instantly work with the programs that adapt to this standard, meaning that any electronic money wallet may hold Agrico. Basically, it is an ERC20 token, so you can hold this token directly in your personal MyEther wallet address. So it is entirely, basically you can say it is entirely easy and useful for you to hold this token. Here you can also see some main benefits of using the Agrico platform: real-time update, cloud-based timely reward, and here you can also see consistent growth, blockchain technology, email notification whenever you are going to send any type of Agrico tokens from one platform to another account. So definitely you are going to get a notify by the email. Here you can also see the roadmap to success, basically the roadmap of entire Agrico platform. And here you can see the main thing, the token information, the token allocation. It is basically an Ethereum based token. So here you can see the fixed supply of this token. The name of this token is Agrico and the ticker is also an Agrico. So here you can read each and everything. So if you want to join the bounty, especially for all the hunters, bounty hunters, if you want to join the bounty, so here basically you can see the bounty icon. So you just have to click over here, and here you can see each and everything. Especially for the YouTubers, if you want to make the video, you can basically produce a whole video regarding the Agrico farm platform. And also if you are basically the Telegram strikers, so okay, you can basically join them on the Telegram and basically place some good messages over there, and also you can join their bounty in the Telegram. So here we have number of 3 bounties which you can join easily on the Agrico platform. Okay, by just at this time you can just click on this link, on the bounty link, and then a new home page will open where you can join these bounties. Now I am going to tell you how you can join their airdrop. You just have to click on the join airdrop, and then you can see a Telegram board basically going to start, where you will get up to $5 of Agrico tokens. First of all, you have to click on the start, then a captcha will appear and you have to solve the captcha. Then you have to join them on the Telegram group and Telegram channel. And then the third one major thing is this, that you have to enter the logo towards your profile picture and write Agrico official to your last name, whatever is your last name. For example, my last name on my Telegram is Muhammad Talha, so I must have to enter Agrico official at the end of my name in the Telegram, and then I have to take a screenshot and enter into it. So after this one, I have to join them on the Twitter and also basically follow them, the promotional partner channel, and then I have to follow them on Medium, LinkedIn, and then I will basically submit my all the details. First of all, you have to enter your email address, then your Telegram username, again Telegram, and then you have to enter the screenshot which I told you at this time you just have to enter Agrico official on the last name of your Telegram, basically shown to the public. So you just have to take the screenshot. First of all, you have to add Agrico official on your last name, and then you have to take the screenshot and enter that one file over here. Then you have to enter your Twitter username, your My Ether wallet address. So definitely you are going to get 500 Agrico in your personal My Ether wallet address. So it is entirely easy and entirely free for the freebies. So you must have to join this airdrop, and you must have to read each and everything regarding the platform on the main platform, because all the details are available over here. So you can easily basically check each and everything. And also, if you have any type of questions, you must have to ask all those questions in the personal Telegram group, because the team is available for you 24/7, and they are going to ask and they are going to answer each and every question of yours. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.